To fix a GE microwave that isn't beeping, there are several potential solutions to try. One common issue is that the sound settings are not set correctly, with the volume possibly being reduced or muted. Checking the appliance's manual can help to resolve this by unmatting or increasing the volume to enable the beeping function. Alternatively, a flaw in the control panel can sometimes occur, stopping the microwave from beeping. Switching the microwave off, waiting for a short period, and then switching it back on can often fix this issue. In some cases, a faulty thermostat or switch may be the cause of the problem. And if this is suspected, it's best to contact a professional technician to test these components and replace them if necessary. By trying these potential solutions, it's often possible to easily fix a GE microwave that's not beeping.